Kane's coffee shop tutorial, take 4. How to make a brand standard latte, lesson 1. First, you'll need a jug, thermometer, milk, and a coffee machine. If you don't have any of these, then you can't make a coffee, so you may as well stop watching. First, add the milk to the jug like so. Doesn't matter if you spill some, because you can always have a cloth handy, so you can just sorted. Now, what your next thing to do is to put the steam arm just underneath the surface of the milk to texturise it. But be careful, because the steam that comes out of it is boiling, so you can seriously injure yourself by doing so. Once the milk is heated up, you need to put the steam arm to the bottom of the jug and wait for the temperature to get to 140 degrees. And done.
Kate! You total fucking arsehole!
I'm so sorry.
You touch me, ever. You are aware there's a queue. What the hell is that?
It's my tutorial for new staff.
New staff? Why, you can afford to take on new staff. You had to lower my wage last month. I'll serve. Shut up.
Yeah, 2 small lattes to go, please.
Don't bloody blame you.
May as well carry on. Once the milk's cooked, all that's left is to clean the steam arm in an up and down motion like so. Rob always said you need to pretend the steam arm is something else, you know, so you can get a good shine of it. Not quite sure what he meant by that. He did say Lisa would always know, though.
Excuse me?
He said you'd know what motion to use to get a good shine on the end of it.
Right!
Oh, God!
I love my piss. It's like water. You could. Sometimes I drink it.
What you're
It
saying.
doesn't matter that it's everywhere. It's fine. You can all have a little golden shower. It's
There
like
is piss on the sink.
It'll have dried up by tomorrow.
My mother is meeting me here. She cannot see the place I work looking like this.
Look, I'm sure Lithuania's covered in piss.
I'm Russian!
Sophia?
What?
Have you fixed the fridge door yet?
For the last time, I don't know how to fix fridges.
All right. Calm down. She needs to chill out. There's only a bit of wee. Chill.
Sophia,
What?
can you show me how to clean this fridge?
For God's sake. It's easy. Look, you wipe with one of these and you scrub like this.
Okay, good. You just, yep. Are we sorry?
Nice try. Nice try.
Hello?
Hi, love. Sorry, we're closed now.
I am Sophia's mother.
Sophia? Have you seen Sophia?
She's in the fridge.
It's not warm in here.
No, I put her in the fridge.
Nice one.
No, by accident, you cock.
Alright, shit. Shit. Her mum's here.
Fuck.
Got me charger. What's up with you two?
Lisa!
What the hell? Warm her up with the hand dryer. I'm leaving.
Is Sophia ready? I have made the reservation.
Yeah, she's on her way down. She's just cooling off from her shift.
I can't feel nose.
Don't worry. I've got you. Under there, and then you're done. Warm yourself up.
I read, baby, in Longhead Dog magazine that apparently Lithuania has the most beautiful women.
I'm not... Sophia?
Come on, nearly there. Warming up. You can feel your bones getting warmer. Come on, keep warming up. You're nearly there.
What are you doing?
No, it's... I know it looks like... Fuck it, you know what? Can't be arsed with this. Enjoy your lunch.
Well, what about my wine, babe? Yeah? I'm not drinking it warm, do you know what I mean? It needs to be nice and chilled. Like a chilled little Willy. Chilled wine. Proper wine time, like a nice little man. Do you know what I mean? It's got to be chilled. You know, it's got to be fresh. I like to do it properly, do you know what I mean? It's got to be good. Go down cool, crisp, proper little man. Yeah, that's what it's got to be. Do you know what I mean?
It's health inspection today, isn't it?
What health inspection?
Did you not read the letter? It came about a week ago.
Well, where is it?
It's just the papers.
The papers that we scatter around the shop every morning.
Yes, obviously. It's news. I put news with news.
Obviously. Were you dropped as a baby? Hey! Shut up! Offer him a drink. Fly round. Cleaning everything.
Coffee?
It's a little late for me. Just some ice water should be fine.
Right, we are.
Is there a reason it says feel a vagina on your back?
Phil, who's Jan?
No, the back.
Pretty sure they're on the front.
Jesus Christ. Never mind.
Don't mind him, sir. The little lad, he's got a medical condition that we call UR.
You are?
Yeah, undiagnosed retardation.
I see. I'll just start with your waste disposal.
We are.
Where did they come from?
I don't know.
Pour them down the sink. We have to get rid of the smell. Wash it down with the tap. It can only be Rob's.
Rob!
Is it cold yet?
We'll get fined if he sees this. Drink it.
Well, there's no issue with your waste, but you need to get that milk spatter wiped off the wall. Is he alright?
He's really ill, actually. Gonna send him home, aren't I? Don't want him infecting the workplace. Come on.
Shit! What have you done?
What you on about? It's perfect, right? Just listen to me. What you gotta do, you put his body in his car, and then you both clean up the shop, yeah? And then you just wait for him to wake up. Yeah. Oh, clean slate, yeah? He'll never know. He'll just think he fell asleep in the car. Yeah. You're welcome.